Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Lite could not send message problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Play Store app. Now check if your Facebook Lite app is updated. Now open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search Facebook Lite, tap on Lite, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now tap on your power button, tap on restart. After restart your device, now open your Facebook Lite app, tap on message icon. Now send someone message. And finally, I hope solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.